How to create and verify Alipay account. Find the Alipay app icon on your smartphone and tap to open it. Once the app is open, you'll see a spot to enter your phone number. Just type it in there. After you've entered your phone number, there will be a button that says Next. Just tap on that to move forward. The app will show you some terms and conditions. Just tap on Agree to accept them. Now, the app might ask you to do something like shaking your phone. Just follow whatever it tells you to do. After you've followed the app's instructions, there will be another Agree button. Tap on that to confirm. You'll get a verification code via SMS. Enter that code into the app when prompted. Next, you'll need to select your country from a list provided in the app. With that, you've successfully created your Alipay account. To verify your account, go to the Account section located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for Account and Security and tap on it. Within Account and Security, find and tap on Identity Verification. Here, you can either manually fill in your ID information or use the Scan feature to automatically fill it in by scanning your ID. Hit Submit when done. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create and verify your Alipay account. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience of seamless transactions and financial services. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.